Hi guys, Margaret here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a yummy pasta lunch or dinner or snack in the microwave pasta maker. Here we go. All right, the microwave pasta maker is wonderful for making 1 or 2 servings of pasta, up to 1/4 pound. So I'm going to just do a single serving, which is 2 ounces or 1/8 of a pound. And the thing that's so great about this particular tool is that it has this very cool lid that keeps it from boiling over. That's kind of the big thing. And I'm using the creamy spinach pasta recipe on the Pampered Chef website as my guide. So I have 2 ounces of pasta. The recipe actually calls for penne, but I'm using this fun little curly pasta because I had some on hand, and about 1 1/4 cups of water. So I'm going to put the lid on nice and tight. You never want to hold it by the lid. You always want to hold it by the base. And then I'm going to use our large cozy because the pot actually does get hot in the microwave. The white part does. And so you kind of need something to shield it. So I'm going to put this in the microwave for 8 minutes. See you after it's done. 8 minutes are up. I just got this out of the microwave. The lid has the spillover, and some pastas need to be drained, and this is one of them. There's a little liquid left in it, so I'm just going to put this in my sink, the red part, drain the pasta right on top, and then pour it right back in. Super simple. All right, drained pasta, and now I'm going to add my other ingredients, which are, the recipe actually calls for mushrooms in this, but I don't have any mushrooms, so I'm using about 6 grape tomatoes that have been quartered. So I'm going to pour those in. I'm using 2 cups of spinach, fresh spinach. That's going to fill this, but it'll definitely shrink down. And then the word creamy is in the name, so it's got to have some kind of cream. This is actually half and half, 2 tablespoons. And then the recipe calls for garlic rub, which I am out of that as well. So I'm going to use a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic and herb rub, which is actually my #1 favorite. I love this. So it's going to be delicious. I use this on chicken, veggies, pasta, all kinds of stuff. And then 2 tablespoons of shredded Parmesan cheese, which I'm just going to sprinkle on top. And then you put the red lid right back on and pop it in the microwave for 2 more minutes to get all of this cooked up together. All right, 2 minutes is up, you guys. Here we go. Steam Central. Gosh, it smells, oh my goodness, smells so good. Look, it got all melty. Now I'm just going to kind of mix this up a little bit. That spinach, I could have chopped it up a little bit. Oh my goodness, that looks delicious. I'm going to let this sit for a couple minutes and cool just a little bit. It's super hot, but man, I'm talking 10 minutes for a hot, fresh lunch. Thanks, you guys, for joining me for a quick lunch with the microwave pasta cooker. Bye now.